Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our process of promoting the $25 digital business all in one on My Lead Gen Secrets here. So what's so special about the $25 all in one digital business is the 80% recurring commissions. That's right. For every sale you make, you get 80% commission. Not only 80%, but you get 80% recurring commission. You get it every month. All right, so we got, let's see, $20 to $100 monthly commission. All together, that's $120 monthly commission for each person in the system. That means you only need 2 people to be in profits. As you know, I have 2 people in the system right now, and I'm at a profit of about $90 a month on this system just already. Only promoting it using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, there's a million other ways I should be promoting this product, but that's the only way I'm promoting it right now. All right, so let's get it going here. Let's go to My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, here we go. Now, what we need here, we need us a email, a decent email. Let's find an email here. Let's go with this one. Yeah, we'll go with these. Go with one of these. Okay, that's the first one. The second one was, okay, this second one. Open now, upgrade notice. All right, copy. We're gonna go with this one. All right, we're gonna delete this. Hi, this is note regarding your membership. You've been upgrading. Blah, 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 blah. So we're just gonna copy this. You know what we're gonna do? We ain't gonna do this. We're gonna make an email real quick. That's how we're gonna do it, guys. It's 20 minutes. There we go. We'll put that in the title. Paste. All right. Now let's see here. Let's go with. Let's go with, I'm leaning toward this. Dot. Now the training in the system, you get training in the system, right? I'm not doing any of the training. I'm just using My Lead Gen Secrets here. So you guys, you can make sales off of it. I already proven that, right? But there's training in the system that can really take you up a lot. Okay, let's. All right. It started today. And still that get started today and build your income. We'll just go with that there, guys. And that's all it is to it. We're gonna get a link for the page here. Now, what you want to do when you get in the system, right? On the right page. You get in the system, you get the link for this right here, all-in-one $25 business seller. This is the link you want to use here when you get in the system. I put it on a domain personally just to make it look cleaner, but that's how you do it, okay? You use that link once you get inside the system to promote it on my lead gen secrets here. And it's just that simple. There you go. And you got an email. See how easy that is? Who we pick? So they know that they can get 22 and 100 monthly commissions for each sale. Why is our monthly commission so I'm pretty sure I spelled it wrong. COMMISSIONS. Why is our monthly commission so high? Getting you to 100. Oh yeah. Working on that is our goal. And this is possible with just a few sales a week, right? So yeah, this is a pretty good email. And that's how easy it is to write emails, guys. You don't really, if you know what you're promoting, you don't need to find emails to promote if you don't have to. I'm just showing you guys that you can also write the email very quickly and easily. You see how easy that email was? So we're gonna send this email here. These are the type of emails that work the best, I feel. Very short and simple, unless you're trying to build or something. But yeah, okay, let's go with that. Make sure to hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send an email around the time people like to check their emails. So it's a really good thing to do, to have your email be on the top there. All right, so we're gonna copy paste here. Let's go. We want to go to account here, mailing system, account, log out. Boom. Log into this account. Keep moving. That. Copy, paste, delete this. Perfect timing. And just go down here, copy, paste. Uh-oh. Hit the button too fast. I thought I messed it up. All right. Copy. Paste. All right. Looks good. All right. An email. Boom. Let's see, sent right there. Very easy to do, very easy to build too. You know what I mean? I'm showing you guys how simple this can be. I want to make sure I show you guys how simple this is and how simple it is to make money online. Not that hard. It just really isn't. Just gotta, sometimes you may have to dedicate more time. Give yourself some time to build something. But other than that, like, it might not happen instantly, but you can eventually make some money online. And there's a bunch of ways to do it. You just gotta find one. Once you find one, stick with it. Stick with it until you get a decent income. Once you get a decent income, you can try other ways. But stick with one way. If you make money with one way, stick with that one way until you get a decent income. It's my take. So if you're using my lead gen secrets here and you're making money off of it, that's cool. Like yesterday with my lead gen secrets, my lead gen secret kind of pays for itself because I got enough affiliates to pay for all of the accounts. So I'm not even losing money having this system anymore. But all right, guys, that's all there is to it today. Hello, I ain't sent this one. I'm sorry about that. I'm kind of jumping ahead. And that's that there. We sent this email here, and like I stated before, it's just such a good deal, man. 80% commissions, both monthly, recurring. This is the best you're gonna find, guys. The best system you're gonna find to promote. I promise you. You get two people in, and you at a profit of $90. Not just $90, but $90 per month. You had a profit of $90 per month, guys. And that's just crazy. See, look, just one sale per month, per week, you got $74,000 a year. That's more than most people make going to work, school, paying for college, doing all of this extra stuff to make this 74 a year. Think about that. If you get 2 sales per week, look how much money you make with just 2 sales per week, guys. You build up to $149 a year. And if you get 3 sales per week, you're making $224,000 a year. This is insane. This is such a huge jump. And that's $18,000 a month. That's $12,000 per month. This is $6,000 per month. Even just one sale, and you making way more than your average person is per month. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.